Hey, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and as usual we are dealing with data analysis and we are treating one of the applications, that is Excel. In our previous video we touched on average and the AND function. Today we are going to be dealing with count and CountA. Okay, so the difference between the count and the CountA is just a minute difference, and you will see what that is. This video is going to be short because it's not going to be a lengthy one. So let's see how easy it is to use that. Now we use the count, which is, so let's type count here. We use the count as the name sounds when we want to count a number of things, okay, in our data. So for example, I want to count how many values I have here, not sum. Okay, I'm not adding them together, I'm just counting how many values I have in each of the cell. Okay, and if I just highlight it, okay, and you look way down at the bottom here, I hope I'm not sure if I treated this in my last video, but if you look down here in the Excel sheet, okay, follow my cursor down here, you see it says count of what? 20. So how do we use formula to also arrive at that? Okay, so you type equal to, and then you do a count, and then you just highlight the values here all the way down, and then you close the brackets and then hit enter, and it tells you that there are 20 items in that particular row. Now I want us to also count this. Okay, obviously it is 20, but if we use the count this, we will not get the value. So let's count this, close it. You see I have 0, and the question is, why do I have 0? Now the difference between the count and the CountA is because of this. So let's do this first, CountA. Okay, and then we go back and count this, and then hit enter. Now the difference between the count and CountA, so let me type the CountA here, is that the CountA treats anything that is not values. It's able to count anything that is not values. Okay, the count is counting values, and if anything is in that cell that is not a value, that is not a number, it will not count it. It will see it as not a number, and therefore will count it and render it as 0. Okay, so if you want to be able to count, if you're counting text, if you're counting anything that is not a number in a cell or in a table, make sure you use the CountA over the count. Okay, so this just brings me to the end of today's video on the difference between the count and the CountA, and you can use this in a lot of things. In our next video we are going to do a count if, and then we'll do some more analysis on this. At this point, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.